There's that opening bell on Wall Street to kick off this Friday. Great to see our armed forces up there. Just really good to see it. Happy Veterans Day, and of course, happy Veterans Day to my dad. Served in Vietnam War, so shout out, Dad. I know you watch sometimes. Hopefully, you're watching right now. But good to get that opening bell on this Friday. It's been a very, very busy week. Brad, over to you. And oh yeah, and amidst this whole crypto backdrop, we have a nice CPI reading the market's still embracing.
Yeah, great visual there at the New York Stock Exchange, though, this morning to kick off the opening bell. My godfather also served in Vietnam, and my grandfather, late grandfather, also served. And so with gratitude and respect to all of those who are at the NYSE and around the U.S., happy Veterans Day. Also, taking a look at the major averages here, up by about 0.2% is the Dow Jones Industrial Average to kick off this Friday's trading activity. The NASDAQ Composite flat, just barely to the upside. Let's put this in, well, we'll keep that in a 2-day perspective. That'll give us a full chart at least. And we're seeing some hyper waffling out of the gate here for the NASDAQ Composite. And then the S&P 500, you got a good look at that over the past 2 days. Of course, huge move yesterday that we saw moving higher by about 5.5%. We're up by about 0.2% this morning, though. So over the past 2 days, still handedly holding on to some of that move higher here. I'm going to toggle back over to some of the sectors that we are watching as well out of the gate this morning. You've got more advancers than decliners. Only decliners right now. XLV, yeah, that's down by about 0.4%. That's your healthcare sector, which has been doing pretty good this year. But you've also got energy, of course, surprise, surprise. That's higher on the day because it's a day that ends in Y in 2022. We're up by about 2.25% for energy. But as of right now, just a little bit of a toss-up here. Looks like we've moved a little bit more negative in terms of the advancers versus decliners. We'll see how that continues to net out, and then we'll just ride out with a quick look at the NASDAQ 100 movers on the day.